Hello, this is Thomas, Technical Support Team from J&D Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install CBD program on your computer and upgrade the new version of firmware on your CodeVisor emulator. If you have a CodeVisor, it's very simple to install CBD program to your computer because you can get the CBD program through the CD included in the CodeVisor package what you already have. Or please download an install package from our website www.jndtech.com. In this case, you need your account. So please make an account if you don't have it yet. I've already downloaded an install package here. It's very frequently updated whenever some new functions are added and the performance is improved. So you need to keep up to date with your CBD program. So I'm gonna click it for installation and click the next. It's being installed. And now you can see this window, but you don't have to restart your computer. So click this and finish. And please connect a USB cable of your emulator to your computer, then you can see this window. Yes, you need a driver of CodeVisor. So click Advanced and click this and click Browse. You already have the driver in your computer because the drivers are included in the install package, so you can find it inside of CodeVisor folder. Under Program Files, under J&D Tech, CBD, there is a folder named Driver. There are two drivers. This one is for the 64-bit PC and this is for the 32-bit PC. But you just choose driver folder because it will be installed automatically according to your computer system. So I choose this. And next, the driver is installed. And you can confirm the driver in here. As you can see, the CodeVisor driver is installed well. Okay, let's start the CBD. The help menu in the menu bar, about CBD, you can get all information related to your CodeVisor from here. This CBD tells you the current version and date of CBD program installed on your computer. And here is the serial number of your CodeVisor. And you can even confirm which cores your CodeVisor supports now. This is the list of supported cores on your CodeVisor. The MDS firmware tells you the firmware version of your emulator. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to upgrade the firmware. You need to keep up to date with your firmware version, like the first installation and after upgrading CBD software. So if you want to upgrade firmware, just follow this. Program menu in the menu bar, choose firmware there is a firmware on the program files JNTech CVD. There is a folder named MDS firmware. There are some binaries, so please choose the latest date binary. Then you can see this progress bar. Okay, it's finished. Then I think you need to confirm it again. MDS firmware in here. So now the preparation of using CodeVisor is finished, and please refer to other videos for using the CodeVisor well. And thank you so much.